hot. We didn't like say hi. We better say hi to him.
Hi.
Hi. We're gonna make some of the ricotta and spinach ravioli again, but this time we're gonna make it with some roasted pepper and Asiago links, chicken sausage, and we're gonna make it with an Alfredo. So the gist of this one is I'm gonna show you how to make homemade Alfredo. Number one, let's get our pasta boiling. My water's already boiling. Got a little head start. Let's make some of these. Huh? A little bit. We're just gonna make little small slices. It's just me and Rory eating tonight. Yep. 2-person party. You don't like hanging with boys?
No. Boys are stinky and sweaty.
True story. Ooh, those smell good. All right, let's get our Alfredo going. This is kind of a half batch, so we're gonna do half a stick of butter. Some of those are looking good. Like that, right there. Money. All right, Roars, do you want to see how we make the Alfredo? We got our butter, half stick of butter. And really we want like half a cup of flour. I've got more than that here, but we're not going to add it all at once. We're going to stir it in a little bit at a time. Do you know what this is called?
No.
When you stir flour into butter?
No.
It's called a roux. And you can make a light roux or a dark roux. This one is going to be kind of a light roux. We're not going to let it simmer. If you let this cook for a while, it'll start to turn brown, like brown butter. It's good. A little more flour. It's still a little bit runny. We need just a little more. There we go. We want it to be smooth, but not chunky and not runny. So we're close. We got a light roux going. Not a ruby, but a roux. We're going to use milk and half and half. I don't want to use all half and half. So a little bit of milk. Stir and see where we're at here. It's cold milk, so it'll take it a second to combine. All right. A little more milk.
This hurts my arm.
We'll put the marker down.
Not that.
All right, I gotta keep stirring this. We don't want chunky Alfredo. Let's add a little half and half. And then it's about time to add some garlic and some Parmesan. All right, we're a little bit thin now. A couple chunks, smush those out. But we want to be a little bit thin right now because we're going to add Parmesan and it's going to thicken up. So let's add some of this garlic paste. That's good. Let's stir that in first. Oh, I smell a hint of burn on these. I better move them. Oh yeah. We're gonna get those out of there. All right. It's hot. Rory, can you grab the white spatula and stir that Alfredo gently? Just keep it moving. I'll take it. We're going to put the Parmesan in. Oh, we almost got a lot. That'll do. Stir that in. That's going to make this real thick. We might need more half and half. We'll see. Did you try one?
No.
Oh.
My camera?
I don't care. Just one.
Those are really good.
Yeah? All right. Let's get a little bit of salt. A little bit of black pepper.
Can I also have some chips and cheese with mine?
No, we're going to make those garlic breads, which we kind of need to start.
I mean like
We're a little cheesy, stringy. Probably put too much Parmesan in. So we got to loosen it up a little bit. Trade you. You can put the half and half away.
Okay. Where does it go?
All right. While that simmers for just a minute, we're making some, these are big, thick pieces of Texas toast. So we're just going to make a couple little pieces of garlic bread to go with our pasta. So we just put butter on the Texas toast, then get just a, I don't know how much that is, like half of a teaspoon maybe of garlic, and just brush it into the bread. So that's butter, garlic, step 1, step 2. Step 3 is, and if you've watched any of my videos, you know I use this stuff all the time, the Shipshawana Mr. Hart's salt-free seasoning. It's just an Italian seasoning. So just a sprinkle of that on top. And then we're going to pop those in the oven for about, let's start with 5 minutes. Let's give our Alfredo a stir. We're going to have to taste it soon and see where we are. Let's try it. It's a little stringy. Well, we need more salt. We kind of need more garlic. So we're going to go with a heavy dose of garlic powder in there too, along with our squeeze garlic. And we needed some more salt. Pepper, we're okay. Cheese, we're okay. We're going to let that simmer for just a minute. Let's try it. Yep. There it is. All right, Roars, we're almost ready. All right. Pasta cooked. Alfredo done. pasta in.
Mix it up.
Put our sausages in there.
Ugh.
Ugh. I thought you liked them, man.
I do.
Now we gotta stir it up and coat everything with our sauce. And then we'll serve it. And our bread's gonna be done in just a second.
Does anybody want some ice cream?
Get out of here. Rory, do you want the wild boar or the giraffe?
Wild boar.
Okay.
Actually, giraffe.
What? I can't change your mind.
Yeah, I can.
All right, let's check on our bread. Let's give it a little. Yeah, it's not quite done. Here we go. Which one did you want? The boar or the giraffe? How much do you want?
I'll tell you when to stop.
Uh-oh, our timer's going off. Those aren't done yet, though. A little more? That good? A little more? Oh, you're good? Okay. All right. Excuse me. All right, I bet
Why did I write my own name?
I bet our bread is done now.
This is when it's gonna work.
Oh yeah.
Bruh.
Bruh.
I'm a B, not an R. Yep. You knew it. It didn't look good.
All right, Roars, come try it. All right, you ready to try it? You got to get one sausage and one
Wait, what? Why?
ravioli with the sauce.
Yeah.
It's not too hot.
I did.
It's a big bite though. What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
Good sauce.
Yeah.
Here.
Did you use this? Hey guys, did he use this? Yeah. Blech. That's gross.
Try your bread. What?
I like the crust.
We got to give him a close up. There it is.
Here's bread.
Sausage,
Bread.
ravioli.
Bread. Sauce and bread. Hey!
Thanks.
I didn't get that for you.
That's it.
Salt. Did you want to pause it?
Later, taters.